MALHAEBWA. Again, it's MALHAEBWA. What does it mean? Today on One Korean with a Day here at Dae-Hangul, we're going to study about MALHAEBWA. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 349. MALHAEBWA. MALHAEBWA. It is pronounced as a three-syllable word. The first syllable is mal, second syllable is he, and third syllable is bwa. Pronounce it with me. MALHAEBWA or MALHAEBWA. The meaning of the word MALHAEBWA is try saying it. So you are asking another person to say it. How do you write MALHAEBWA in Hangul? It is composed of three syllables. For the first syllable mal, we need to draw first a miem character followed by an a character followed by a real character. For the second syllable he, we need to draw first a he character followed by an e character. For the third syllable bwa, we need to draw first a bup character followed by an o character followed by an a character. And then we just need to combine the hangul for each of these three syllables to form the hangul of the word MALHAEBWA. And with that, you've just learned MALHAEBWA. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 339 to 348. But don't forget, our word for today, word number 349, it's MALHAEBWA, which means try saying it. The first word for our review is word number 348, it's michoso, which means crazy. Next word is 동급생, which means classmate. Or this could also be used to say same grade level. The next word for our review is 아침 식사, which means breakfast. Next word is chandi, which means grass. Next word is 점심, which means lunch. Next word is 처럼, which means like. Next word is 어때, which means what do you think or how is. Next word is 오렌지, which means orange. Next word is 다섯, which means number 5. And the last word for our review is word number 339, it's 보라색, which means purple color. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.